Industrial chic lovers, this is for you. Do not go through the hassle of renovating your own space. This was done just 2 years ago. So where are we today? Welcome to Block 155 Simei Road, which is just a short walk to MRT station, the mall, as well as several parks. Hello, welcome! Now, this beautiful home was fully renovated only 2 years ago, and once you enter, I think you'll be amazed by this herringbone tiled flooring that segregates the entrance away from the rest of the house. As you enter through the main area itself, you notice that the colour actually changes to large vinyl tiles from Belgium. Now, this is really high quality, and the owners really put in a lot of heart and soul into designing the house. This entire space opens up to the dining as well as the kitchen, so creating an interactive space between you as well as your guests. What we really appreciate is how the owners actually installed these sliding doors so as to enclose the kitchen if you want to do some heavy cooking. Now, as you enter the space, you will notice that this entire room has been beautifully renovated to fit all the different types of appliances of the highest quality. We also appreciate, the blend of wooden colours as well as the greys, creating a very nice, cozy feel to the entire space. And what's different that the owner has done is that because they are a young couple, they designed this entire space to their taste. They created a powder room instead of a normal bathroom just here. Now let's move off to the living area. So usually the living area is actually really close to the main door, but what the owner has done is a little bit different. They have created the study into a living area. And this cozy nook is tucked away from the main door, so there's plenty of privacy, and we really love the blend of colours here, creating a very, very cozy space. As for the view, let me show you. It actually faces the open grass view, which allows for plenty of sunlight into the house. So there's plenty of natural light flowing in, making this entire space feels open and bright. So here we have the first bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So what the owner has done is to create a beautiful walk-in wardrobe as well as this lovely study area. So right next to the ensuite bedroom is actually two common bedrooms as well as a storeroom. Come, let me show you. Now, this bedroom has been converted into the owner's room, so what they have done is to put a king-size bed as well as beautiful bedside tables. The other bedroom can also fit a king-size bed, a wardrobe as well as a study table. At the corner of this bedroom, there's even a special spot for your fur kids. And right in the middle, what we have is actually a storeroom, which is rarely found in the newer apartments. What you'll see is mostly bomb shelters. So how the owner has created this look is by incorporating the contrasting colours of dark and light woods, bright and black colours, such as the golden lights versus the white colour walls. So that way you get a really beautiful industrial chic look. Tastefully renovated, beautifully done. Like to make this fabulous industrial chic home your very own? Call the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing. See you soon!